Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be my hair extension, hair care, and toning tips for all of you guys. So these are the extensions that I'm going to be toning and then also just applying some hair care to these extensions to keep them healthy looking and to make them last even longer than they already do. These are the Amazing Beauty hair extensions. I was sent these hair extensions by this company. I recently did like an unboxing and a full first impressions video on these extensions and also threw in some tips on how you style hair extensions to make them look as natural as possible. So if you have not seen that video already, I will link that down in the description box, so please make sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right on into this video with the very first step in my hair care of hair extensions, and that is, of course, brushing them out, getting all the tangles out of them, any knots, making sure they're completely smooth. And then once all of those are brushed out, I'm just gonna start by wetting them under the sink. Of course, you could do it in the bathtub if that's what you find easier, but I always find it easier just to do it in the sink. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my extensions wet, and then I'm just going to start toning them. And the shampoo that I have been loving lately for toning, and not only on my extensions but for my real hair, is this blue shampoo from Matrix. This stuff is awesome, and you do not have to leave it on your hair for a long time. It does such a good job at toning. So this is the shampoo that I'm going to be using to tone these extensions today. And then to top it off, just to keep the extensions as healthy looking as possible, I'm going to go in with this hair transformation hair mask from Monet, which is actually the hair company that I work with. This hair mask is absolutely awesome and is the go-to for anyone that has like chemically processed hair that's really damaged, a lot of split ends. This hair mask is really perfect for mending those split ends, mending the damage, strengthening your hair. So I definitely wanted to go ahead and use this hair mask on these extensions today to keep them looking and feeling healthy. So for the toning process of these hair extensions, I'm just going to get about a quarter size of the purple shampoo. The sizing kind of depends on the size of the extension piece that I'm going to be washing or toning. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the shampoo onto my palm, and then I'm just going to rub it throughout the extension piece and just kind of make sure that all of the hair, at least the hair that's going to be visible, I don't really go up to all the way up to where the clips are necessarily, but I would say about a ½ inch to an inch down from the clips. I will make sure all of that hair below that is covered with the purple or blue shampoo, whatever you're using for toning. I'll make sure it's all coated, and then I will actually go ahead and just rinse off the shampoo right away, just because this particular shampoo that I'm using, it works really well, and even when I'm using it on my own hair, I really don't have to leave it on for very long. It does an excellent job at toning. So once I know that I have coated all of the hair with the shampoo, I will go ahead and rinse it off immediately, especially because I feel like clip-in hair extensions or even tape-in hair extensions are more like porous almost, so I feel like they really grab onto like the purple or blue shampoos a lot easier and a lot quicker compared to like your real hair. So there really isn't any need to keep it on for a long period of time. So now I'm just rinsing out the shampoo, and once I have gotten all the shampoo out, I'm going to go in with my hair mask and kind of do the exact same thing we do with the purple shampoo or the blue shampoo, except this time I'm going to leave the hair mask on the extension piece for about 5 to 10 minutes. Usually while I'm leaving the hair mask on that piece of hair extension, I will move on to the next hair extension and kind of just swap those out just to save some time and make this whole process of hair care and toning a lot quicker. And yeah, now I'm moving on to the next hair extension piece, and then I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did with the first hair extension piece. So I won't explain this with every piece of hair extensions that I have. I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing with all of those. So I will just let you watch and enjoy. So once I finished with the toning and leaving the hair mask on a piece of extension, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off. Make sure, once again, that all of the shampoo is out of the piece, all of the hair mask is out of the piece, and then I'm going to just brush it out. Once again, make sure there's no knots or any tangles, and then I just leave them on my dining room table just to let them dry fully. You could like blow dry them if you wanted to, but I actually don't own a hair dryer. I feel like that's really weird, but I don't really use a hair dryer that much, so there's really no point in me owning one, and that's just opening up your hair to more damage, so I really don't like to use hair dryers for that reason. So I just let my extensions air dry. And here are what these extensions are looking like after toning them, leaving the hair mask on them, and then letting them air dry overnight. I definitely see a difference in these hair extensions. If you did watch that first impressions video that I did of these hair extensions, you would have been able to tell that they were a little bit more on the yellow side. They didn't really match my hair color as well, but now after toning them, I think they are pretty much a perfect match. I'm very happy with how they turned out. And yeah, so that's basically it for this hair extension hair care, how I care for my extensions to keep them looking and feeling healthy, and as well as how I tone hair extensions. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you have any other questions for me related to hair extension, hair care, or toning, or anything like that, you can definitely leave those down in the comments down below. I would definitely love to answer those questions for you guys if I didn't address it in this video. And yeah, I'm going to get going for now, but I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.